Part 3. These final 3 tools could replace your 9-to-5 job. Here's how. So far, we've covered 7 powerful tools, from ChatGPT to 11 Labs, that can help you earn $1,000 or more per month. But now we enter the final chapter. And these last 3 tools? They aren't just side hustles. They're job replacers. If you take action, these tools have the power to build sustainable, full-time income streams. Let's dive in. Office building tool number 8, Durable AI, build websites in 30 seconds. Durable AI is like having a web design agency in your pocket. It lets you build a fully functional business website with just a few clicks, no coding, no design skills required. Small Blue Diamond, what it does. AI website builder for small businesses, creators, and freelancers. Generates copy, layout, branding, even booking systems. Ideal for service providers, local businesses, and online portfolios. Money bag monetization strategy. Method 1. Sell website setup services. Offer to build websites for freelancers, coaches, real estate agents, etc. Market on Facebook groups, Reddit, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Charge $150 to $500 per site. Method 2. Create your own AI-powered business. Use Durable to create a local directory, resume site, or booking service. Monetize through ads, referrals, or upsells. Bar chart real earnings example. 2 clients/week at $250 equals $500 per week. Monthly equals $2,000. Add passive income from your own site equals $3,000 plus. This tool is perfect for digital freelancers and solo entrepreneurs who want to serve small businesses fast and affordably. Tool number 9, Canva AI, design for non-designers. Canva is already one of the most popular design tools online. But with its new AI-powered features, it's become a serious business asset. Small Blue Diamond, what it does. Magic Design generates full templates from your idea. AI presentations, social posts, videos, branding kits. Smart resizing, image editing, and animation. Money bag monetization strategy. Method 1. Sell design packs and templates. Offer social media kits, logo packs, business cards, ebook designs. Use marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Charge $10 to $50 per bundle. Method 2. Offer branding services. Target solopreneurs, influencers, authors, and local businesses. Build a brand kit, logo, colors, templates, banner. Charge $100 to $500 per client. Bar chart real earnings. 3 branding kits/week at $150 equals $450. 20 digital templates/month at $20 equals $400. Total equals $850 per month. Canva AI lets anyone create professional quality designs and get paid for them without needing years of experience. House tool number 10, Kooky AI, chatbot creator, your digital employee. Kooky AI is more than a chatbot, it's a digital employee. It handles FAQs, schedules appointments, and even manages product recommendations for businesses. Small Blue Diamond, what it does. AI chatbot creation platform. Customizable for any business niche, retail, coaching, health, services. Deploy on websites, social media, WhatsApp. Money bag monetization strategy. Method 1. Build and sell chatbots to small businesses. Approach businesses that get high customer inquiries. Build chatbot to answer FAQs, direct to product pages, capture leads. Charge $200 to $1,000 per bot. Method 2. Subscription service. Set up and host chatbot with ongoing support. Monthly fee, $50 to $150 per client. Bar chart real scenario. For bots/month at $300 equals $1,200. 5 clients on monthly support at $100 equals $500 per month. Total equals $1,700 per month. AI chatbots are now expected by customers. With Kuki, you can offer this service, even if you have zero programming skills. Glowing Star Final Wrap-Up, replace your 9 to 5 with AI. Let's do a final recap. ChatGPT, freelance writing and scripts. Leonardo AI, sell AI art prints and visuals. Tome AI, create pitch decks. Pictory, turn scripts into videos. Opus Clip, short-form repurposing. Notion AI, build and sell productivity systems. 11 Labs, voiceovers at scale. Durable AI, build websites fast. Canva AI, design packs and branding. Kuki AI, build income with chatbots. These aren't just tools, they're opportunities. If you've been stuck in a job you hate, tired of struggling to make ends meet, or looking for a way to level up without showing your face, this is it. Movie Camera Call to Actio. Which of these 10 tools are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more YouTube business models, AI income ideas, and tools that actually work, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.